Welcome to the channel. You're now watching Twisted TV.
Homeowner had a close encounter in this next clip. Another second here could have been the difference between life or death. Homeowner said that sure was a close one. If you were in this situation, do you think you would have remained this calm? Happy daylight savings. This homeowner is still adjusting to the time change even on trash day. Who else can relate? We have a bold and brazen criminal in this one. This man does not have a care or scare in the world. Look at him. He has some balls, not to mention some nerve checking every car in sight. If you're in the area, be aware and vigilant of this man. Keep your doors locked and your notifications on. Homeowner said this woman was not only trespassing on private property, but also stealing her mail. Let's take a look at this shameful and disgusting behavior together. And if you're in the Fresno area, be on the lookout for this woman mail thief. What won't people steal? Your mail? Really? I mean, at the same time, I guess I can't say we are really surprised at anything we see these days. This world really is something else, to say the least. Another reason to always be vigilant, my friends, even when it comes to your mail. Turn them notifications on and keep an eye on your mail. What are the odds? Looks like we have another mail theft. Homeowner caught this woman breaking into her apartment complex mailboxes for the second time. This happened at around 1:10 in the morning. I don't understand why anyone would want to steal mail. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments and keep your mail locked up. Persistent little devil, isn't she? We don't understand her motivation or persistence, regardless, sad to see it put to such shameful behavior. It's not too late to change your life. Let's get it together. Has anyone in the area seen this car by any chance? Homeowners asked. They said they had this drunk driver lose control and nearly crash into their home. They would like to have a few words with this chooch in person. We say it all the time here at Twisted TV. If you're gonna drink, then don't be an idiot and get behind the wheel. Call an Uber or a taxi before you kill yourself or worse, someone else. With daylight savings, we could all get on board with this. We at Twisted TV dig your style, my friend, and we salute you. Another bold and brazen thief in this one. We have a driver in a SUV, driving around porch pirating people's packages. If you're in Fresno, keep an eye out for this guy. He clearly has an eye out on your packages. Turn those notifications on now and avoid being a victim like these poor homeowners. The homeowner of this property had this unknown individual with a quick-release knife in her hand show up at her front door. Homeowners have no idea who she is or what she wanted. The Fresno County Sheriff's Office has been informed and will be patrolling the neighborhood. Be aware and always be vigilant, my friends. Man trying to open neighbor's door at Park West Apartments. Not once, but twice. Talk about creepy, not to mention disturbing. Neighbors said he does not live around here and appears like he could possibly been under the influence of something. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, be aware if you're in the area. Thanks. Here's a second clip at his second attempt to gain unlawful entry. One look of the reaction on his face says what the neighbors said earlier. He definitely does not belong here, and clearly has malicious intent in my opinion. What are your thoughts, and what do you think he could be under the influence of? Stolen package. Keep an eye out for this thief on a bike. That blue backpack is easy to recognize, neighbors said. Neighbors had no idea why someone would want to egg their house, but that's exactly what happened. I think it's a little comical how after the first person chases after the egg bandit, shortly after comes another and then another. Anyway, let's take a look and see what happens. If you made it this far, please consider showing your support for the channel by hitting that like, share, and subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.
Kasi talaga sinadya.
Here we have a thief that steals this homeowner's groceries. Talk about shameful and sad. It's enough to make me hangry just watching it. Another porch pirate thief in this clip you're about to watch. Except this porch pirate tweaker gets some sweet justice and a little thing we would like to call karma. They steal a box of trash. Jokes on the criminal for once. The box was full of broken electronics and smaller boxes. Be careful out there. The homeowner admits it was his fault for having his ringer off on his phone and not getting the notification. Won't make that mistake again, he says. Nothing taken. They apparently looked through neighbors' cars as well. Happened at 3:45 in the morning. Turn them notifications on people. Young kids out and about, of course, doing the last thing they should probably be doing. These parents need to put a belt to their ass like the old days. Let us know your thoughts in the comments if you agree with us. Here's a second clip of this malicious group exiting the scene of the crime, or rather, attempted crime. Random woman stopping outside houses and bathing in hoses, homeowners said. They left out the part about cleaning her scooter. I got nothing on this one. I guess my thoughts are if it was a problem, I would just put the hose away and eliminate the problem. Clearly, she is a few fries short of a happy meal. Just easier, I guess, considering a mental illness is probably the reason for this behavior. Let us know your thoughts. Beware, my friends. This person is out and about jumping fences in early hours of the morning. Anyone know this guy? If so, tell him he needs to do better things with his time instead of out causing mischief, torment, and probably property damage. Why the hell are you jumping fences onto private property? No reason to get innocent homeowners worked up. I'm sure there was a gate, and if the gate had a lock on it, then there's a reason. And that reason is they don't want creepers like you entering their private property. The lesson to be learned here is don't be a trespassing chooch creeper like this guy. Some guy broke into this shop on Ashland and West. He soon left when he eventually seen the camera pointed right at his face. Did anyone else's business get broken into? The owner asked. Let's take a look at shamefulness unfold before our eyes. Besides being an idiot, we can give this guy credit for one thing, and that's he works alone. Nobody to bring him down on this huge heist. Although it looks to us maybe he should have got a sidekick. Regardless, he's an idiot out doing idiotic things and should probably reevaluate his life and his life choices. We hope for his sake he got a comfortable pair of paints, or perhaps a nice scented bottle of lotion out of this mistake turned lucky not to get caught. Be on the lookout. Porch thief stealing shoes. Can't believe people would go this far to be this low. Keep an eye on your shoes, folks. What are the odds we have another shoe thief? These two gross individuals need to meet each other in jail if you ask me. Stay vigilant, friends, and keep an eye on your shoes. We hope you enjoyed the video. We upload new content weekly. Please show your support and consider punching that like, share, and subscribe button in the face. In doing so, you won't miss out on new content uploaded weekly, most times daily. Hit that subscribe button now to join the family and be part of the Twisted TV crew today. As always, keep it classy. Stay safe and always be vigilant, my friends. We hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.